Safe Space Kids!
Hey there, explorers! Ready for an adventure? Today, we're diving into the heart of the wild. Imagine the thrill of seeing majestic animals up close and personal. We'll hang out with the coolest animals: lions, elephants, giraffes. Oh my! Each one has a unique story to tell. Learn super cool facts about our amazing animal friends. Did you know elephants can communicate through vibrations? Get ready for a wild adventure on Safe Space Kids. Let's make memories that will last a lifetime. Number 1. Lion. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away? That's like hearing your best friend shout from really far away. And get this, lions are the only big cats that live in groups called prides. Number 2. Elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals, and their trunks are like super-powered noses. They use them for drinking, trumpeting greetings, and even lifting super heavy things. They're incredibly strong. Number 3. Giraffes are the tallest animals ever. Their necks are so long they can munch leaves high in the trees. Plus, they barely sleep. Talk about being full of energy. Number 4. Zebras are like the fashionistas of the savannah. With their striking black and white stripes, they stand out in the vast golden landscape. Every zebra has a unique stripe pattern, just like our fingerprints, making each one special. These patterns are not just for show, they serve a crucial purpose in the wild. Their stripes confuse predators, making it hard for them to pick out just one zebra from the crowd. This natural camouflage is essential for their survival in the wild. Number 5. The cheetah is the superhero of speed. It can go from still to super fast in just seconds. They even have built-in sunglasses, black tear marks under their eyes, to help them see in bright sun. Number 6. Hippos may seem like big sleepyheads, but they're actually super strong and surprisingly fast. They love to stay cool in the water, especially on hot days, and their mouths are enormous and powerful. Number 7. Rhino, the tank of the savannah. Rhinos are like armored trucks of the animal kingdom. They're big, strong, with impressive horns. You wouldn't want to mess with a rhino. Number 8. Flamingo, pretty in pink. Flamingos are graceful and, of course, totally pink. Did you know they get their pink color from the food they eat? It's like magic. Number 9. Leopard, the stealthy ninja of the savannah. Leopards are the ninjas of the savannah. They're amazing climbers and experts at hiding. They even stash their food in trees. Sneaky. Number 10. Ostrich, the bird who runs like the wind. Ostriches might not fly, but they're super fast runners, and their eggs are enormous. Imagine an omelet made from one ostrich egg. Number 11. Hyena, the giggles are contagious. Hyenas are known for their laugh-like calls. It's their way of talking to each other. Plus, they have super strong and powerful jaws. Number 12. Meerkat, teamwork makes the dream work. Meerkats are like the neighborhood watch of the animal kingdom. They live in families and take turns looking out for danger. Number 13. Warthogs might look a little bit funny, but they're incredibly tough. They use their tusks to dig and defend themselves. Number 15. Crocodiles are like living dinosaurs. They've been around for millions of years and can hold their breath for a long time. Number 16. Gnu, the Great Migration. Gnus, also called wildebeest, are nomads of the savannah. They go on amazing journeys looking for food, and millions of them travel together. Number 17. Kudu. The majestic one. Kudus are graceful and males have incredible spiraled horns. They're also great listeners. Number 18. Impala, jumping for joy. Impalas are the amazing athletes of the savannah. They can jump super high and far. They have incredible hearing, always aware of their surroundings. Number 19. Gazelles are like little race cars. They're among the fastest animals in Africa and can make sharp turns to escape danger. Number 20. Hornbills are known for their large, bright beaks that help them grab food like fruits and insects. Some have a special helmet-like structure on top of their beaks called a casque. Female hornbills seal themselves inside tree holes to lay eggs, and the male brings them food until the babies are old enough to fly. This teamwork helps keep the family safe. Number 21. Baboons are the ultimate social butterflies. They live in close-knit groups and spend their days searching for food and hanging out. Number 22. Chimpanzee, our clever cousins. Chimpanzees are like our smart cousins. They use tools just like us and are clever. Number 23. Mandrill, the rainbow monkeys. Mandrills are super colorful. They have bright blue and red faces and bottoms that get even brighter when they're excited or showing off. They are the biggest monkeys. Mandrills are the largest monkeys in the world, and they can be really strong too. Number 24. The secretive serval. The serval is a master of stealth and agility in the savannah. With its long legs and large ears, it's perfectly built for hunting in tall grasses. These small spotted cats are known for their incredible jumping ability, able to leap up to 10 feet in the air to catch birds in flight. Though they are elusive and often go unnoticed, servals play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled, and you might just catch a glimpse of this fascinating feline. Number 25. Jackal, resourceful and clever. Jackals are the clever detectives of the savannah. They're great hunters and problem solvers. Wow, what a safari adventure! The beauty of the savannah and its wildlife is truly breathtaking. We learned so much about these amazing animals and their habitats. It's important to protect and respect them. Join us again for another wild journey with SafeSpaceKids. Thanks for watching and being part of our safari adventure. Please like, subscribe, and share for more fun educational videos with SafeSpaceKids. Your support helps us bring more exciting content to you.
SafeSpaceKids!